Here you are seeing my dashboard. We took a trip to Florida. This is the first 242 miles and running for 3 hours and 39 minutes. The freezer was turned on during this whole period of time. Here I've moved into the back seat. I had originally loaded the freezer with items at about 41 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, after 3 hours and 39 minutes, the temperature in the freezer is now at about 60 degrees. The freezer has been running 3 hours and 39 minutes. Now you're seeing my dashboard. I had restarted the car, and now I've been running 142 miles and 2 hours and 1 minute. I'm going to show you the temperature. After this period of time, I got into the back seat. The refrigerator has been in refrigerator mode the entire portion of this trip. And now I'm checking the thermometer, and you can see it's in refrigerator position on the button. And you'll see that it's 50 some odd degrees, which is too warm for a refrigerator.